Good morning. It's 5:15 in the morning. It's Cardio Wednesday. So, umagang pa, madilim pa. So, yun o. Nakikita nyo yung paligid ko. So, tatakbo tayo today with my headlamp kasi madilim pa. So, yun. So, have a nice day everyone and see you later. Katatapos lang natin mag-run today. So, siguro around 6 or more kilometers. More or less 6 kilometers today. So, the weather. Look, weather is good. Have a nice day everyone. And see you.